This is what? Haji, what is this? What is this?
Elephant.
Elephant trumpet.
Deer.
Deer bellow. What is this, Haji?
Bear.
Put it inside.
Red.
Okay, I'm waiting. It's a bear. The bear roar.
Yellow.
What is this yellow color animal? Haji, what is this?
Camel.
A camel grunt. What is this white color animal? Haji, what is this white color animal? This is two zebra. Zebra bray. Haji, what is this?
Water bear.
And what is this animal?
Orange.
Orange color what? Tell me the name. It's a deer.
Lion.
The lion roars. What is this, Haji?
Elephant.
An elephant trumpet.
Tiger.
Tiger. The tiger
Yay!
roars. Yay! Clap your hand. Haji, turn out the basket. Once again we will learn. Very good. Now put the basket here. We will learn again.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Wow.
Wow. What is this, Haji?
Zebra.
The zebra prey. And what is this, Haji?
Elephant.
Put the elephant inside the basket.
Green.
Yes, it's a grey color elephant. The elephant. What sound elephant make, Haji? The elephant trumpet. Haji have two elephants. One is elephant, two is elephants.
Bear.
Yes, which color bear you have?
Red.
Put it inside the basket. Fast, come on, fast. Wow, it's a bear. Bear roars. What animal is this, Haji, now?
Orange.
Orange color. Orange color what?
Lion.
Yes, it's an orange color lion which is roaring.
Tiger.
What color tiger is?
Orange.
Orange color tiger. Tiger
Yellow.
also roar.
Yellow.
Yellow color. Which animal? Camel. The camel grunt. What is this, Haji?
Deer.
Deer. The deer bellow.
Yay.
Yay! We learned all the animals. Clap your hands.